Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Abel, the director of Objective Santé Group. It's a group. We have three departments. The third department is our training school. We have a training school, and we learn the naturotherapy, phytotherapy, and masotherapy. And the second department is our medicine. We have a lot of medicine. We can have it everywhere you are. And the third department is our offices. One in Abidjan, Yopougon, and second in Boaké, Koko. So right now we have a conference of Dr. Natu. He will talk about the liver. How does the liver function? What we have to do in order to be that organ may be, let's say, okay. Today, we'll follow Dr. Natu. We'll talk about the liver. How does our liver function? When we are talking about viral hepatitis, what's that? So we are going to listen to Dr. Natu, who is invited in the church, the Adventist church, in order to talk about the viral hepatitis. So when we create by our gut, create an organ which is a liver, is in our stomach, from our mouth to our anus. After there's a pipe before to reach in the esophagus. And after that, there is small intestine. Near small intestine, we have our liver. And that organ is have to follow all the digest of our functioning. The liver is the better organ in our organ. And it works when you are digesting. If you drank our liver work, and you drank lipid, our liver work. When you drink a liquid, our liver work. You have to help our organs in order to digest all the things we eat or we drink. So after that, our organs chose to eliminate by the kidney, by the anus, or by the kidney when you urinate, by anus, or the skin by the sweat, or our lymph to breathe. And you want to be in the excellent health, you have to have a better liver. So when our liver is sick, you will be sick. So here is our liver. So that liver is always working, is digesting all you eat can be sick. What are the sickness of our liver? There are several kinds of sickness. So you are talking about some. So our liver can't be sick by itself because you are always drinking alcohol. So when we part the hepatitis, that our liver. So hepatitis, hepatitis is the sickness of our liver. So because you are drinking alcohol and you are eating the bad thing, so you will increase the cirrhosis or the liver cancer. You can have viral hepatitis A because of the bad thing you are eat, the fruit or vegetable you eat. You can have viral hepatitis B or viral hepatitis C or D. So the sickness, because of the type of the virus, you can call it virus A, virus B, virus C, or D. So when we are talking about liver, you will listen to hepatitis. So that when you have viral hepatitis A, that means that viral A attacked our hepatitis. How to do in order to know you have hepatitis? So your eye become yellow. So the white in our eye become yellow. And you are always exhausted. You are tired. Yeah. So that, and sometimes you can be have a fever. So it can't be constipated. So because our liver is sick. When your liver is sick, you have a constipation. So because of the lack of bile, your liver produced bile. When your liver is sick, there is a lack of bile, and that's the causes of constipation. So you can't have energy. You let because you cannot digest what you eat. So you will like to get out of you by your mouth. So we can find that sign in several other sickness. So that's why you have to go to the laboratory in order to look for the causes of that sickness. So you have a lot of blood tests to do in order to know the difference between malaria, typhoid fever, or viral hepatitis A, B, C, or D. For instance, when you go to the laboratory and you have the fat drops, that can help you to know that is not malaria or that is a malaria. So you have to do blood count also in order to know if you are in fever or not. So that's why you have to do a lot of blood tests in order to discover the reason of your sickness. So because there are malaria, phagoid fever, or viral hepatitis, there are the same signs. That's why you have to go to do lots of blood tests to know your real sickness. So, how to avoid the sickness of our liver? Thank you to follow that meeting. If you need Dr. Natu to talk about the sickness, how to do in order to avoid sickness, here you have the number to call. Call us, and we are here to help the population in order to increase their knowledge how to do it. Thank you very much.